Hello, class. I decided to make a video to help with some of the problems from the 5-2 MyLab assignment. The first question asks, is the following a probability model? So for this to be a model, a probability model, the probabilities have to sum to 1. So when we add up all of these numbers, we should have 1 as our result. So I've entered the 0.1 and the 0.2 and the 0.2, all of the values into my calculator, and I press enter, and I get 1.05. So the answer is no, because the probabilities do not sum to 1. I check answer, we get the nice work. Next, we're asked, what do we call the outcome brown? Right, so brown has a probability of 0, so we say this is an impossible event. Right? There's a 0% probability of this event happening. Check answer, we get the good job. So we go to question 2. It says, which of the following numbers could be a probability of an event? All right, so the probabilities can only be 0 to 1. So we have 0, 1.12 is no good. The negative 0.5 is no good. So the numbers that could be a probability event are, and it says separate with a comma, so I'll press 0, comma, let's see here, 1, comma, 0.31, comma, and 0.05. Now I put a space after my comma, so I hope the computer accepts these values. I press check answer, and we get the nice work. So look, so far so good. Let's see, question number 3. Okay. So here it says, this is our sample space, 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like 1 through 10. Suppose the outcomes are equally likely. Compute the probability of the event 6 and 10. So the probability of 6 would be 1 out of 10. The probability of 6 and 10 would be 2 out of 10. And it says as an integer or as a decimal. So 2 divided by 10 equals 0.2. So I'm going to enter 0.2 as my answer here. I check answer, and we get the excellent. Question number 4 says, all right, we have a bag of 100 tulips. There's 40 red, 30 yellow, and 30 purple. So the probability that the tulip is red, so let's see, if we add 40 plus 30 plus 30, that's 100, right? 30 and 30 is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. So probability of red would be 40 out of 100 or 0.40, right? 40 out of 100 is 0.40, right? 40%. We check answer. Well done. That the probability that the selected tulip is purple. So there's 30 purple. So again, that's 30 out of 100, right? We add up all our values, 30 plus 30 plus 40, which is 100. 30% or 30 out of 100 would be 0.30. I check answer, we get the good job. And then the last one, let's see here. If 100 tulip bulbs were sampled with replacement, one would exactly expect, so you wouldn't say exactly, you would say about, right? So if 100 tulips were sampled from this group, we would expect about, let's see, 40 to be red, and purple, 30 to be purple, right? So we're not going to say exactly, but if we did the experiment enough times, about 40 would come up red and 30 would come up purple. I press check answer, and we get the excellent. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.